How y'all doing today? Today we're going to do something a little different. I know I haven't made a video in a couple of weeks, just been busy and everything. But my son caught a trout and he wanted to cook it. He cooked it all by himself. I wasn't involved in it whatsoever. And figured I'd share the video with y'all. You know, he's only 12 years old and this was the first trout he cooked. So hope y'all enjoy the video because it's going to be mighty fine, I tell you.
First, I'm gonna cut off the tail. I just got off the tail. We're just gonna throw this aside. Now I'm gonna cut off this. And boom. Mom cut these up. So I'm gonna dip it in this. This is just 2 eggs like mixed up. And then I'm gonna put it in this. This is that, and it has salt and pepper in it. So
salt and pepper.
Dixie now. Mighty fine, I tell you. Mighty fine.
Because he shook it and he got it up.
Exactly. Now I'm gonna do this one. Okay guys, so right now we're gonna put it in the pan. The pan you want to preheat to medium and then put some oil in it. And then you want to just keep on cooking until it turns brown. Here, I'm just gonna pick it up and put it in there. Guys, mighty fine, I tell you. Here, just pick it up. And then just set it in there until it turns brown. Okay guys, so it's been 2 minutes on this side, so now I'm just going to flip it to the other side. You want to stop cooking it when it turns brown. Guys, this fish is going to be mighty fine, I tell you. Guys, so right now I think it's done, like I don't know for sure, but yeah, it looks done. We're just gonna get it off of there. Okay guys, so now we're gonna eat this mighty fine fish. It tastes like chicken. I made mine with some barbecue sauce, you know. It's mighty fine. Especially since I caught this fish. Just dip it in there. Crap. This is mighty fun.